Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you want to build wealth, retire comfortably, or just stop living paycheck to paycheck, you need to invest your money, and 2026 is the best year to start. Today, I'm breaking down how investing works, where to start as a beginner, which investments are safest today, how to invest even if you're broke, tools and platforms you can use in the US and UK, and the exact step-by-step strategy to begin today. This video is packed with value, so make sure you watch till the end. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button because we talk money the smart way. Chapter 1, Why Invest? Let me ask you one question. If you work your whole life but never invest, what happens the day you stop working? Your income stops too. Investing is how you grow money without working extra hours. Beat inflation. Let your money work for you. Example, if you invest $200 per month and earn an average 7% yearly return, in 30 years, that becomes over $240,000. That's the power of compounding. Small money plus time plus consistent investing equals wealth. Chapter 2, Understanding the types of investments. 1. Stocks. 2. Index funds and ETFs. 3. Bonds. Real estate. 5. Crypto. Chapter 3, How much money do you need to start? The biggest myth is, I need a lot of money to invest. Reality, you can start with just $10/10 using fractional shares. The important thing is, back-end index pointing right, start small and increase over time. Chapter 4, Best platforms to start USA. Robinhood, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Vanguard, Webull, Round Pushpin UK, Trading 212, Free Trade, eToro, Vanguard UK. Chapter 5, Step-by-Step, How to Start Investing. Let's simplify the entire process. Step 1, Set financial goals. Retirement, safer house, long-term wealth. Step 2, Build an emergency fund. 3 to 6 months living expenses before investing. Step 3, Pay off high-interest debt. Credit card debt kills wealth faster than any investment grows. Step 4, Open a brokerage account. Pick one from earlier list. Step 5, Choose your investing strategy. Beginner-friendly. Heavy checkmark dollar cost averaging. Invest same amount every month. Heavy checkmark long-term buy and hold. No emotional trading. Step 7, Stay consistent. Even when the market falls. Pushpin, remember, down markets equals discount prices. Chapter 6, Mistakes to avoid. Crossmark investing money you need quickly. Crossmark trying to get rich fast. Crossmark panic selling when market drops. Crossmark following random TikTok/Instagram tips. Crossmark YOLO into crypto or meme stocks. Investing is 95% patience plus 5% knowledge. Chapter 7, The Long-Term Mindset. Warren Buffett Rule. The stock market is a machine that transfers money from the impatient to the patient. Don't try to time the market. Focus on decades, not days. Track progress every 6 to 12 months only. If you made it till here, congratulations. You now know exactly how to start investing in 2026. Back-end index pointing down, comment below. How much are you starting with? I'll reply and help you build your first custom portfolio. If you got value from this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more personal finance content, and share this with someone who needs to start investing. Thank you for watching, and remember, invest today for the life you want tomorrow.